Hey, it's Mike from Game World Engineer, and today there was an announcement out of GDC about Godot. It's W4 Games and Meta collaborate to expand open source Godot ecosystem on Meta Quest. So this is an announcement by W4 Games. Um, they are a company with an aim of helping the video game industry by strengthening the open source Godot ecosystem. They recently announced that it is collaborating with Meta to significantly improve the game developer experience with the Godot game engine on the MetaQuest platform. So, this will enable new and exciting opportunities for the growing Godot user community, the open source gaming community, and Quest users alike. They are empowering Godot developers to create and publish extended reality games and experiences, and it hopes to expand the Godot games portfolio on MetaQuest. So this is a good news for Godot developers. There will be more demand for games made with Godot, I suppose. And they said that they are excited to announce this new partnership with Meta since we believe it will provide great new opportunities for Godot game developers and allow them to reach out to new audiences through the MetaQuest platform. So, and MetaQuest 3 is an AR VR platform, so both VR and XR or augmented reality. So the partnership will cover improving functionality, performance, and usability of OpenXR features within Godot for the benefit of all VR developers, providing an integration of the MetaQuest SDKs via plugin and exposing more MetaQuest features to end users, developing an optimized release template specifically for Quest users that leverages MetaQuest technology, and creating high quality samples and documentation to help Godot users develop for MetaQuest. W4 Games added that the partnership is also contemplating the development of educational materials and joint marketing activities in the coming years, and that both itself and Meta are dedicated to contributing as much of this work as possible to the Godot project as part of their shared commitment to the open source community. So it says you can learn more about building games with the Godot engine at GDC 2024 this week. So W4 Games is a company created by Godot engine veterans Juan Linietsky, Remy Verscheld, and Fabio Alessandrelli, and Nicola Farinato. So their mission is to strengthen the open source Godot ecosystem by providing companies with the commercial products and services they need. They pledge that all the improvements made to Godot as part of the company's activities will be donated back whenever legally possible to the community as pull requests to be reviewed and considered for inclusion. So I guess they have a fork of Godot that they use commercially, and then but they want to contribute back any changes they make to Godot back to the open source version that everyone else uses. And in W4 Games' blog, there's a blog article that says that developers will be able to build and ship VR and MR apps for the MetaQuest platform with all the power of Godot by July 2024. So this partnership is going to result in the ability to publish games to Meta platform by July this year. So that's good for people that want to develop VR games, I suppose. And I guess there'll be more jobs for Godot developers as companies want to publish games out to the platform, I suppose. One thing this article also mentions is in 2023, more than 1,000 commercial Godot games were published. And a growing number of promising titles signal the accelerating adoption by the game development community. I had no idea there was that many commercial Godot games published in just last year alone. I don't know if there's a list of all those somewhere, but 1,000 seems like a lot to me. I don't know. So coming soon, you'll be able to develop for MetaQuest platform. So that's the big update from today from GDC. This article is March 14th, but this was reported today on the Organix Industry News and Intelligence blog. I'll put a link to this down below. And so that's it for this video. Comment, like, and subscribe. Are you looking forward to being able to develop AR and VR games for Godot? Let me know in the comments down below. And we'll see you in the next one.